fish fry. So let's begin with the main ingredient, mackerel fish. Here I have taken the whole fish, then giving slits on both sides. And cutting like this to make a cavity or a pocket to fill the masala. Likewise, I am doing it for all. For this mackerel fry, we need masala paste. So into a jar, I have added some garlic cloves, then 3 teaspoons of black pepper, then a piece of ginger, some curry leaves, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2.5 teaspoons of chili powder, salt to taste, and finally adding some water. Then grind it well and make it into a fine paste. Now I am going to apply the masala. Make sure the masala goes into the slits as well. Fill some masala into the pocket that we made. Likewise, we can apply on each fish. Apply the remaining masala and keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I am using coconut oil to fry the fish, and to enhance the flavor I am adding some curry leaves. Then add each pieces of marinated fish. Then fry it in medium flame. Flip it over. So our spicy fish fry is ready. Now we can transfer it to a bowl. I hope you like this recipe. So please do try. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.